Have EX1 files from a Sony professional video camera? This is a video clip format from Sony's XDCAM EX camcorder line. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you get these professional video clips opened and ready for editing. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult EX1 files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. EX1 files are video clip files recorded by Sony XDCAM EX series, professional camcorders. They contain high-definition video encoded in MPEG-2 or H.264 format with professional-grade audio captured during production shooting. The XDCAM EX format is widely used in broadcast television documentary and corporate video production workflows. Sony XDCAM EX1 video files use the MP4 container with MPEG-2 Long GOP or AVC H.264 Intra video encoding at broadcast quality bitrates. The format stores multi-channel audio metadata, including timecode clip naming and recording parameters within the XDCAM EX file-based recording structure. The EX1 file is widely endorsed for use with Adobe Premiere Pro, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows can preview most video files, but editing them requires dedicated video software. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your EX1 file and choose Open With. Test with Adobe Premiere Pro first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If your EX1 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, opening in media players. Play EX1 files in VLC Media Player, which supports XDCAM formats natively. Simply drag the file into VLC or use Media, then Open File. Sony's free XDCAM browser application also plays EX1 clips with full metadata display, including timecode recording date and camera settings information. Next, importing into editing software. Import EX1 files into professional video editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro. These editors recognize XDCAM EX format and import the clips with full timecode and metadata preservation. Use the Media Browser panel to navigate the XDCAM folder structure and import clips. Finally, converting for compatibility. Use Adobe Media Encoder or Handbrake to transcode EX1 files to ProRes DNxHR or H.264 format for broader editing compatibility. In Adobe Media Encoder, add the EX1 file and select your preferred output format and quality preset. This creates intermediate files optimized for your specific editing workflow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.